Welcome to my channel. Today we have prepared a list of the top 5 best apps to learn to code. I will provide the links in the description for you to download these apps and get started with learning to code. The list is in no specific order, so let's get started. So the first one is SoloLearn. SoloLearn is a coding platform that offers many different courses for multiple programming languages. It is a good choice for beginners trying to get started with programming. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. SoloLearn is free. You can also try SoloLearn Pro if you want. Each section in this app is broken into chapters. At the end of each chapter, you will get a quiz that you need to solve to move on to the next chapter. Some of the courses offered include C++, Python, JavaScript, and Java. So the next one on our list is the app called Programming Hub. According to its developer, you can master up to 18 languages with Programming Hub. It has bite-sized interactive lessons and courses. This app was developed in collaboration with Google experts. Programming Hub was also named Google Play's Editor Choice app, so there must have been a good reason for it. You even get the ability to access the course materials when you are offline. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Some of the courses they offer include Java, C++, C, CSS, and JavaScript. Now the next app on our list for you to learn to code is AndKey is an app that you can use if you want a personalized track to improve your programming skills. This app also gives you a feature to set daily goals to learn to code. To determine your proficiency, it asks you some questions to make sure that you are not learning those concepts which are advanced than you already know. So this ensures that you understand those concepts instead of memorizing some concept that you can't understand at that time. AndKey is available for both iOS and Android devices. Some of the courses they offer include Python, C++, Java, Git, and Linux. Grasshopper is a JavaScript teaching app. It teaches you how to code in JavaScript. This app is easy to use, allows you to use blocks and arrange them in a logical order to create a working code. Grasshopper teaches you fundamentals like variables, functions, and method. This app was designed by a team from Code with Google. It also gives you a certificate for completing each course. It is available for both iOS and Android. Now the fifth one is Memo. Memo is an app that allows you to develop programming skills that can help you make an app, a game, or even a website. It has many learning paths that focus on real-world projects. You will also get exercises where you have to drag script elements into the right order or spot mistake. It is available for both iOS and Android, and based on your preferences, you will get a personalized track and it will teach you the necessary skills. Some of the courses they offer include JavaScript, C, C++, and Java. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, do let everybody know by commenting in the comments section.